One way to keep the Ducati not too hot in traffic is to keep moving in second gear. Like I can feel the heat under my legs already, but it's not bad. I think the first 1 week was new because it was like that new Ducati heat. It does get uncomfortable. Like I feel like just stopping by the roadside in bumper to bumper, severe bumper to bumper traffic where the speeds are less than 20 kilometers per hour. This speed is very manageable for an air-cooled engine. Keep in mind there's an air-cooled engine, so it needs air to get cooled. There is an oil cooler, but that's just cooling the engine oil, not the engine on its own. So both are different. We have more modern Ducatis like the Monster that I showcased last week. Not the Scrambler, but the Monsters. They are oil cooled. The V2s and the V4s, they do work differently. They do get hot, like up to 108 degrees, which is crazy because I remember on Benelli's, if it crossed 103, it was crazy, man. Anyway, if you're wondering where I'm heading on a decently humid Monday afternoon here in Hyderabad, heading to Rohit and Suju's place to check out their new Ducati. Missed their delivery last time, so just heading to catch up with them and also see the bike. But it's a nice, lovely white color V2, man. First task is to maneuver this traffic. Anyway, how have you guys been doing? Hope all is well. In case you are new to this channel, check out the previous videos, especially the last one, because today is the last. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, first go check out the previous video, especially the giveaway video, because at the end of this video we'll announce the giveaway winners. It would be picked online and I will be sharing it on Instagram, the links here, and on the VGears page on Instagram too. I'm eager to see who the 3 lucky winners are, because those 3 products are really exciting, guys. And when a store is doing so much to promote merchandise, especially that surrounding safety, because lights, helmet, top case, all these are kind of safety accessories too, especially riding gear and auxiliary lights help you ride safe in the night. And the top case, just instead of loosely tying bags, a top case is always safe for the rider and the people following behind the rider. Anyway, let me catch up with my friends. We'll check out the bike, and if you want to know more about the Ducati V2, you need to check out their video. We'll catch you guys later in the night when we announce the giveaway. I don't know if I'll be in the store, but we'll see how the day goes by. And it's just a matter of a 5-minute job picking, using a comment picker to see who the lucky winners are. Take 3,000.
See, if the
lights blinking, yeah, but it stopped. I didn't recognize it. I was looking at
that's because of the card, I guess.
Anyway, might be wondering where I am with the different background, with the different sofa, and I think I've said this 3,000 times, but anyway, I'm in a new house. Thanks to Two Brother Vlogs for offering Naak Kottillu kada.
Laptop, camera, couch.
And the camera.
Laptop, camera, couch another.
And memory card.
And memory card. And or a breathing space.
Time to announce the giveaway winners. So let's go live. Just waiting for the VGears Hyderabad store guests to join us. And once they're there, we'll see who the lucky winners are. Suju, I might need a hand.
Sorry. Okay. Let me.
Two Brother Vlogs of Srijan and Rohit also here. We have selected the video. Let's refresh the comments again. Pranav is also commenting. Okay, so those are the latest comments, and time to pick the random winners. Puneet Chaudhary, next set. Okay.
The first one is Puneet Chaudhary.
Let's see. Yes. And then let's pick the second winner. Janardhan. Good helmet and jacket for short rides. Congratulations, Janardhan. And the last winner for today, Goli Bharat. Do a review on Ola, bro. Soon, I hope so. Congratulations, Goli Bharat. So reach out to me on Instagram, or actually the best way to reach out is email VGears Hyderabad or contact VGears Hyderabad, all 3 winners. We'll try to reach you also. And we'll see other ways to contact you. That's it, I guess.
Congratulations.
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 Thank you.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
Vigets, for hosting this giveaway.
Thank,
Congratulations, all the three winners. If you are out of Hyderabad or Telangana, you're still eligible for the giveaway, and we will figure out a way to ship the products to you. But you have to reach us, and that's how it works. In case one of these persons are not available, we might have to pick another winner, but we'd first try to confirm if all these three are reachable and available. So we'll have a certain time frame for that, maybe 3 days. Is that okay, Vigets?
yes. Sure.
Okay. Oh boy, that was an eventful day. Checked out the Ducati V2 in person and loved it, man. Like, there were so many things that I want to talk about it, but soon we'll have the first ride impression soon. But I think first Suju and Rohit should enjoy it thoroughly, and maybe we'll do a breakfast ride that's being planned because the weather is so perfect right now. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's nice cloudy weather here. Perfect weather to ride, man. So we might have a breakfast ride first and then a long ride soon. Weirdly, this year when COVID was at its lowest influence, I had the lowest of rides except Leh and the Feb ride. I don't think we have done many rides. In fact, last year, me and Shriman went for quite a lot more rides when COVID was at its highest level. Crazy times. But this month or early December, we'll definitely have a ride. In fact, I'm hoping for a breakfast ride this weekend because I'm hoping to take the V2 for a longer stretch than I did in the city. I love the bike, man. I'm sure you would love it. So check out Two Brother Vlogs to know more. But oh boy, it was an amazing bike. It gets hot, excruciatingly hotter than the Scrambler 1100, but I think it's worth it. Anyway, by the time I shoot this video and edit this, we already contacted all the three winners. So hopefully by the end of this week, we'll hand out the gifts to them. It will be randomly selected from the three options that we have on the giveaway so that we are fair to everyone. I'm excited to hand them over in person. So hopefully I get to be there at the same time they're here, because one person's from Nellore, if I'm not wrong, and the rest are all, I think, here. So we'll figure out the logistics and have that announced maybe in the next video. Before I end the video, want to give brief new EV news, because that's what this channel is about, right? So I've heard the news about Skoda Enyaq iV. So it's the Kodiaq version of the EVs. I think that would be the perfect EV for families, because let's say you have 500 kilometers of range, can take up to 6 seats, 6 people in the car, and you can easily do long distance, and the charging network is improving rapidly. Trust me, by end of 22-23 we'll have more than 10-20,000 chargers, fast chargers, 25 kilowatt fast chargers across India. I think we already have around maybe 2-3,000. You can do the quadrilateral, mostly golden quadrilateral. That's a plan I have in mind. Just long plans, but none's taking a shape. I'm just me being lazy. I just want to get into the rhythm again and start doing these rides, long drives, EV rides as soon as possible. And talking about EV rides, have you seen that Bajaj Chetak video? It might have, not many might have noticed because the thumbnail was about the giveaway, but I test rode the Bajaj Chetak EV, the first EV by Bajaj. My first impressions on Bajaj Chetak EV are on that previous video, so definitely check it out in case you missed it. I'll try to change the thumbnail so that it represents the Bajaj Chetak EV. Because the giveaway contest is over, we can update the thumbnails, right? Let me know what other EV you want me to test drive and see. Talking about Ola, we still don't have access to it, so let's see if I can get access to a test ride. Maybe we'll have first ride impressions, but I think a lot of journalists have already ridden it and have their first impressions, and from what I hear so far, it has delivered on most of its promises about the range, the performance, the two big things. So at least 120-130 kilometers of range, good top speed, good performance and acceleration, although there are a few niggles on the software side which are common for EVs, and there was apparently a heating issue with the hyper mode. So hyper mode is only for like extreme hyper scenarios, not always. Most of the time the basic and the sport mode should be sufficient, but it's just that the scooter was originally developed for the Dutch market, not for Indian market. That's probably the reason why it's getting hot quickly. I'm sure it can be managed through a software update, so that shouldn't be a problem. But even my Ather and Tata Nexon EV had small niggles in the beginning, but they're all sorted. So bear with the new technology issues, but they'll all be fine. So those are the few updates on the EVs. hardly any major changes, but I think there is a new portal by the government on EV news. It's a web portal to check out all the information about EV, so go check it out. By the time the next video is up, maybe we'll hand over the gifts to the 3 lucky winners and also do a short breakfast ride. That's the plan. Yeah, let's see how it works out, but exciting week ahead with the giveaway and also the weekend breakfast ride. Maybe we haven't figured the route and all, how many are coming, who's coming, we might have a delivery. I don't know, a lot of stuff happening, so stay tuned, stay subscribed, and that's it for today's video, guys. In case you're watching this on night, and have a good night and take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.